Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you are most welcome. This channel is all about making your digital life easier, more productive, and way more fun. Today's video is one of those game changers you do not want to miss. Let's talk about something that stops a lot of creators and entrepreneurs dead in their tracks: video editing. It's time-consuming, expensive, and let's be real, sometimes it feels impossible to get right without a team of professionals behind you. But what if I told you that in just 10 minutes, you could create high-quality, professional-looking videos without any prior editing experience? That's where InVideo AI comes in. First, I dropped a link for you. Go to the description below and sign up. It's free to get started, and yes, you can literally make your first video without even pulling out your credit card. Once you sign up and log in, you'll land on the dashboard. It's clean, user-friendly, and has everything you need right at your fingertips. You'll see options like AI text-to-video, pre-made templates, and blank canvas. But for this video, we're going straight into the power tool, AI text-to-video. Click on AI text-to-video and boom, you're inside the magic zone. Now you'll be prompted to enter a video idea or script. This is where InVideo starts to shine. You don't even need to have a full script ready. Just give it a basic topic like how to stay productive while working from home, and the AI will take it from there. InVideo will instantly generate a complete script for you. It breaks it down into scenes, adds the right stock footage, overlays relevant text, throws in some background music, and presents it all in a sleek, cinematic format. You literally just sit back and watch it do the heavy lifting. Next, you'll be taken into the editor. This is where you get to preview your video and make adjustments if you want. You can click through each scene to customize visuals, edit the script, replace video clips, tweak the text, and even add a voiceover either by uploading your own or letting the AI voice take over. Let's say the AI shows a clip that doesn't match your exact vibe. You just click on the clip and choose from millions of royalty-free videos and images right within the platform. No need to leave the editor or open a new tab. You also have complete control over the text overlays. Want your font bigger? Change it. Want to switch colors? Done. You can animate text, highlight keywords, and fine-tune every visual element to match your personal or brand style. And here's one of my favorite features, the brand preset. With brand presets, you can upload your logo, set your preferred fonts and color palette, and InVideo will apply it to every single video automatically. This is a huge time saver for businesses, influencers, or anyone trying to stay visually consistent across their content. Once your video looks the way you want, hit that export button. InVideo will render it in full HD, and you can download it, schedule it, or share it straight to your social media channels. No extra steps required. Now, think about this for a second. No camera setup, no editing software, no spending hours watching tutorials. Just your idea, typed into the AI, and boom, a professional video ready to publish. Whether you're making videos for YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, business presentations, or educational content, InVideo gives you the speed, control, and creativity to get it done effortlessly. So if you're tired of wasting time, hiring expensive editors, or struggling to bring your ideas to life, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoy this content. It really helps the channel and lets me keep bringing you the best digital tools out there. And remember, if you want to create your own video today, the link is right in the description. Click it, sign up, and start making stunning videos with zero stress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.